Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best transfer bench with Swivel that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Sanghae shower chair with a 360-degree swivel seat and sliding mechanism. This product is designed for individuals with limited mobility, offering a sturdy aluminum and stainless steel construction that supports up to 350 pounds. Its wide padded armrests and ergonomic backrest ensure comfort and security during use. The seat swivels in 45-degree increments, locking securely in place, and features drainage holes to prevent water buildup and slipping. The build quality of the Sanghae chair is impressive, with corrosion-resistant materials and angled legs capped with non-slip tips for stability. Assembly is quick and tool-free, making it convenient for those who prefer a hassle-free setup. Its lightweight frame adds portability, although the chair itself weighs a hefty 20.6 pounds. Ideal for seniors or individuals recovering from surgery, the Sanghae chair is a solid option for fall-risk users seeking independence during bathing. However, its slightly heavier weight and lack of advanced sliding features may be a drawback for caregivers needing smoother transitions. Overall, this chair provides good value for its durable construction and user-friendly design, but it may not be the top choice for those prioritizing advanced functionality. Coming in at number 4 is the Pitaso sliding shower chair with 360 degrees swivel functionality. This product stands out for its smooth sliding mechanism, paired with a rotating seat, enabling effortless transfers into and out of the tub. The padded armrests can be raised or lowered for easier access, while the included safety belt adds an extra layer of security for users during transfers. Built with high-quality aluminum alloy, the Pitaso chair is lightweight yet durable, supporting up to 240 pounds. Its height-adjustable legs make it suitable for users of varying sizes, while non-slip suction cups ensure stability during use. The chair is particularly beneficial for caregivers, minimizing physical strain during bathing assistance. While the Pitaso excels in safety and maneuverability, its maximum weight capacity, 240 pounds, is lower than many competitors, which may limit its suitability for heavier users. Additionally, applying waterproof grease to the sliding bar may be necessary for optimal performance. Nonetheless, this chair offers excellent value for its innovative features and caregiver-friendly design. At number 3, we have the Loyota sliding shower chair, which offers both premium padding and superior weight capacity of 350 pounds. This chair features a heavy-duty aluminum frame with non-slip rubber feet and an anti-tip wide base for maximum stability. The seat swivels a full 360 degrees, providing effortless and smooth transitions, making it a great option for caregivers. The build quality is outstanding, with waterproof construction and memory foam cushions for added comfort. The height can be adjusted from 20.5 to 27.5 inches, making it compatible with wheelchairs, bathtubs, and toilets. Its sliding mechanism reduces friction injuries and strain, ensuring a safer bathing experience for both users and caregivers. However, the Loyota chair is slightly heavier than some other models, weighing 18.67 pounds, which may affect portability. Additionally, its bulkier dimensions could present challenges in smaller bathrooms. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Loyota chair is an excellent choice for those prioritizing safety, comfort, and durability. In the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Blue Log sliding shower chair. This chair combines a reinforced aviation aluminum frame with a weight capacity of 330 pounds, making it both lightweight and durable. Its wide seat and ergonomic backrest provide ample comfort, while the 360-degree swivel seat with incremental locking points maximizes maneuverability. The Blue Log chair excels in user experience with features like 12 height adjustment levels, 18 to 24 inches, and a smooth sliding mechanism. The auto-lock function ensures safety during transitions, making it ideal for elderly and disabled individuals. Installation is quick and tool-free, taking just 5 minutes, and the anti-slip seat with drainage holes prevents water buildup. Despite these strengths, its larger footprint may pose challenges in compact bathrooms, and some users might find the 16.37-pound weight slightly cumbersome. Overall, the Blue Log chair is a fantastic option for those seeking a balance of durability, functionality, and comfort at a reasonable price point. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Platinum Health Carousel Sliding Shower Chair. Renowned for its professional-grade quality, this chair is trusted by hospitals and nursing homes for its safety and comfort. Its padded seat, backrest, and armrests offer a warm, slip-resistant surface that is both easy to clean and disinfect. The Carousel chair's standout features include its swivel seat design and robust armrests, which provide leverage points for easy transfers. Its high-contrast blue color enhances visibility for vision-impaired users, reducing the risk of slips and falls. With adjustable height, 19 to 34.5 inches, the Carousel fits a wide range of users and bathroom configurations. While the chair's price may be higher than some alternatives, its superior build quality and thoughtful design justify the investment. For users who value safety, comfort, and durability above all else, the Platinum Health Carousel is the gold standard in sliding shower chairs. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.